You might not know this, but there are actually two different versions of WordPress, and choosing the wrong one can be a huge mistake if you don't know what you're getting into. When you search for WordPress, you'll see WordPress.com and WordPress.org, and they can look like the same thing, but they work very differently. WordPress.com is a hosted paid service with plans and limits, where a lot of the good stuff is locked behind upgrades. WordPress.org is the free open source WordPress software you install on your own hosting, and that's what gives you full control over your themes, plugins, and your website. I actually tried out WordPress.com recently to see if anything had changed from the last time I used it. I signed up for the lowest cost $4 per month plan and began setting up my website. Unfortunately, I quickly found out that in order to use a popular theme like Astra, you have to upgrade to one of the more expensive plans, which will end up costing you over $40 per month once everything's added up. Now, with WordPress.org, you can install WordPress on your own web hosting, and once you have that, you can use the exact same tools for only a few dollars per month. So while WordPress.com gives us paywalls and limitations, WordPress.org is the complete opposite. It gives us full control over how we build our website while being significantly more affordable in the end. This means the only thing we actually need to pay for is web hosting.